Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I just got done doing this beautiful brown, bronzy, golden look. And if you guys like this beautiful fall natural browns, you know, a little simple, minimize the lips because it's a little out there. But if you guys want to see how I created this, then stay tuned and catch me on the other side. All right guys, so I already primed my eyes and did my eyebrows and my foundation off camera, so we're going to begin with this mini eye tutorial. We're going to be using the Morphe palette right here, and this is 35G Bronze Golds. This palette right here, I haven't used it yet. Look how beautiful is this colors. It's a lot of neutral and a lot of warm colors, so we're going to be digging in this colors and see what we're going to create in our eyes. This color right here, it's like an orangey brown color, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. And I'm going to be using this fluffy brush right here. Place that all over crease area. I'm going to place this brownish red color. I'm going to use this fluffy brush right here. It's a little more tapered. And I'm going to grab that red color, that red brownish color. And I'm just going to put it right here in the outer corner. And I'm just tapping it. I'm not blending it yet. And I'm going to grab this brush right here with no product, this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend the harsh line up top. We're going to grab that brush again and just bring that color back. This has a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to set my eyes. And the reason why I'm setting underneath my eyes is because if the color falls out, it will fall out in the powder, and then we can just swipe that off and we won't have no issues with our foundation. All right, so we'll keep that like that. I'm gonna grab that orangey brown color again, this color right here, and I'm just going to smoke everything out on top. All right, now we're gonna cut the crease, and we're gonna use our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This little small brush is like pointy, and then I'm just going to get a little bit of that concealer and just trace the line up. Alright, so I'm going to use this like metallic color right here, and I'm going to use my finger, place it in the center of the eyelid. Now I'm going to grab this color right here, and I'm going to use a flat brush, and I'm going to put that in that crease area where I cut it. And then blend it with that metallic orangey pink color. Alright guys, so I'm going to wing my eyes and put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Lashes are in, wing liner is on. So I winged my liner, and I didn't use black, so I used the Stella. And this is a brown pencil. Now we're going to begin with our bottom eyes. This color right here. And I'm going to place that on my waterline. And I'm going to use a flat brush like this. Now I'm going to grab a pencil brush like this, and I'm going to grab that brownish orangey color right here, and I'm going to place that underneath that brown color that I placed. I'm going to blend that out with this little flat smaller brush. I'm going to blend that. On my waterline, I'm going to use the LA Girl eyeliner, and it's like this burgundy plum color, and I'm going to put that underneath my waterline. I'm going to add some mascara underneath my waterline. I'm going to use the Grande Drama mascara. So I want a little bit of glam on my eyelids. So I'm going to use this little kit right here. It has all different type of colors. I also got this little packet on Amazon. I'm going to link this down below, so you guys, if you guys like it, you guys can purchase it. But this is Flare, and it has a whole bunch of little glitter liners, and it's so cute. Look how cute is this. It's so small and cute, the applicator. literally looks like this. Super cute and super small. So I'm going to see what color I'm going to add on my lid. So it looks like this. I think I'm going to add this color right here. It's like a purplish maroon glittery color. And it looks like that. I'm gonna use this little brush right here. I got this from Michael's, and I'm just going to line my wing. You can even use the brush if you want, but I just want a small little line, so I'm gonna do that. Just like that, just to give it a little glam effect. I like that. All right, I like this little kit. This is actually, look how beautiful is that. So I'm going to link this down below so you guys can purchase it. But this is a cute little kit. It has a cute little colors. You guys can get ready for the New Year's and Christmas and stuff like that. This is a really cute kit. So if you guys want, I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can check it out. I'm just going to add this color right here in my inner corner, just a little tab of oomph. So I'm going to clean this little brush right here. Now I'm going to highlight my face and put a little bit of lipstick on my lips, and then we are done. So of course I'm going to be using my Morphe highlighter palette, and it's these beautiful colors right here. I'm going to be using this color right here on my cheek area. Now we're going to do our lips. I want to go dark on my lip, so I'm going to use my LA Girl lip liner, and this is in burgundy. And then I think I'm going to use this little lipstick on my lips because I want to go dark.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't act.
Now I'm gonna use this lipstick. Haven't used this lipstick, so I don't really know how it's gonna look, but hopefully it's dark. Actually, I want my lip a little darker. I'm gonna use this color right here, and this is the LA Girl lip liner, and this is in Desert Purple.
Moving forward, always getting closer, march until it's over, and just like a soldier.
Alright guys, I'm gonna use my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'm gonna spray my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I enjoyed myself doing this look. This was by far the easiest look, and beautiful, glam, just so gorgeous. But guys, if you are into this, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And until next time, bye bye.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit.